Hello, it's Terrific Tuesday. Today's September 15th, 2020. It's day 21 of the school year, and it's double cheeseburger day. So, if you have a chance to try to get yourself a double cheeseburger and eat it today to celebrate double cheeseburger day. All right, we're going to go straight into our morning activities. Hopefully, you're watching this morning meeting right now, and then if you're not done the check in, and then go to the next page. Do your pledge by clicking on the video, and you need to put in today's date. Oh, I'm not supposed to do this. I'm supposed to skip it. Whoops, I about forgot. Skipping it, you gotta do it though. Okay, today is, we just said it's Terrific Tuesday, and yesterday was Marvelous Monday, and tomorrow's gonna be Wonderful Wednesday. All right, today's date, remember we're doing it as if we were having to fill it out on forms officially. So we put first the month, and it's September. And if you did the calendar, you should have put the 15th. And remember, we need to go down here to the pencil and do our little dot with the tail for our comma. Get back to the pointer. And then we're going to move down to 2020. Remember to get it in yellow. Don't have to use these purple ones. It's a lot quicker doing it this way. And we said this is the blank day of school. If yesterday was the 20th, then that makes today the 21st. We don't do TH because we don't say it's the 21st. We say 21st. So we do an ST. And you're finished with this page or slide. You can call them either one. Basically the same thing. Let's go to the next one. I'll give you the big hint with 21 again. Now remember yesterday we didn't have to do any hundreds, and when it was day 20 we did 10, 20. Well, now we have 21. Would we do another one of these? No, then we go 10, 20, 30. Can't do that. So we're going to put one of these up. 10, 21. And right there is 21. Can't move it. All right, so come over with money. We say we're not ready for quarters yet. So let's go with what we had yesterday. We had 2 dimes for 20. Can I do another dime? Nope, they've been like pulling up another 10 over here on the 10s. And so what did we do? We went and brought up something at a value of 1. Does this have a value of 1? No, it has a value of 5 cents. This has a value of 1. So here's 10, 20, 21. There we go. We're done for the day on this page. And here is what our time is. Digital time says 7 o'clock. So we got to get the analog matching that. So remember, this short hour hand points to what is shown here on this one. So we got to come over here and we got to rotate it quite a bit. And then move it. Okay, and then this minute hand, which is the longer one, shows where these are. Now, if this was a different number, we'd have to put it somewhere else, but o'clock means it's a brand new hour, and it's a brand new hour when it's right at the top. Starts over. It's like a cycle. Starts here, comes all the way around, and starts back up here. So we have 7 o'clock on the analog clock now. Okay, let's come to the next page. And remember, yesterday we had our daily oral language. Today's journal. Remember, Tuesday and Thursday journal writing. So I have this. Click here for a printable journal sheet. If you've run out of paper or need it, you could click here and get to print it out, okay? And here you would click to go to your journal page. And here I am writing with the old feather. That's me in the old days. Still had gray hair back then. So let's click on the journal page. And here's what it says. What is your favorite food? Explain why it is your favorite. Now remember, you need to put the date, and the date is the short version of how your parents do their dates. 09 is just another way to say 9. You could have a whole bunch of zeros in front of it, and it still be the value of 9, but we have 2 digits in each of the dates like this. 9 stands for September. If you counted January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, you come up to 9. That's where the 9 comes from. 15 is it's the 15th of September, and 20 is the short version of 2020. Okay? So always put the date at the top of your journal. Now, you need to do in your journal. This means write it in your journal with pencil on paper. Now, the reason I want you to do pencil is because this is writing, and I will be reading and looking at it. And with second grade, if you need to make corrections, I will be letting you know, and you need to erase and make those corrections and send it back to me again. So that is why you need to do it in pencil. Then you need to post a picture of your journal page here. You could cover this, that's okay. Then I want you to record yourself reading your journal. I have to grade you on your fluency of you reading what you've written. That's part of my grade for you this school year. So that's why I'm asking you to do that. Now remember, as you are writing, this is information about writing. Begin first sentence with the prompt. That means you got to have something about what you're writing about. If you just say, it is a double cheeseburger. Well, what about a double cheeseburger? You have to take some of this and say, my favorite food is a double cheeseburger. And then explain why is your favorite. That's why explain your thinking is right there. You need to write 3 or more complete sentences and then draw your picture after you've done the writing. Okay? All right. And you do not have the daily oral language today because you're doing journal. We're going back and forth. Okay? All right. If you have any questions along the way, just let me know. And I hope you have a terrific Tuesday.